The Crystal main menu is composed of the pull-down menus and the toolbar at the top, the Browse window to the left, one or more file windows in the middle, the Tree window and the Flowchart window to the right, the Output window, which is near the bottom, and we also have special tabs such as Code Only and Flow Only at the bottom. By default, the Browse window and the Output window are docked windows. The Flowchart window and the Tree window are in a floating state. If you are using two monitors, you can move the Flowchart window or the Tree window to the second monitor. To change a docked window to a floating window, click on the double line on the frame of the window. Let us click on the double line on the Output window to change it from a docked window to a floating window. When you drag a floating window, it tries to dock whenever it touches the boundary of an area. If you do not wish to dock it, just keep dragging it further. If you wish to prevent the window from docking, press the Control key while you drag the window. Let us dock the Output window below the Browse window. We will click on the title bar until it docks. You can click the Close icon to close the Output window. Let us close the Browse window as well. To display the Browse window again, use the View pull-down menu and click on Browse window. Alternatively, you can click any of the three icons at the end of the toolbar. To view the names of cards in the Browse window, go to the Options menu. In Customize Browse, select Display Tabs with Text. Now, we can see the names of the cards in the Browse window. Click OK to exit the Options menu. Now, we will take a look at the tabs Code Only and Flow Only. These are useful for hiding and displaying the windows with a single click. These tabs are effective only when the Flowchart and Tree windows are floating windows. Click Code Only to minimize the Flowchart window and the Tree window so that you can get a full view of the file window. Click Flow Only to maximize the Flowchart window. Click Code plus Flow to get a side-by-side view of the Code and Flowchart window. Let us close the Flowchart and Tree windows. Now let us click the Tall tab. It displays a set of quick buttons. With these buttons, you can perform many frequent operations with a single click. For example, click Scroll Mid to position the current line at the middle of the window. Click Scroll Bottom to position the current line at the bottom of the window. Click Function Down to go to the next function in the file. Now click Function Up to go to the previous function. Now, we will find the type information of JS token stream. Let us place the cursor on the type name JS token stream. Now click Show Definition. It takes us to the header file where JS token stream is defined. let us place the cursor on the structure name JS token stream. Now click Show Definition, and it takes us to the header file where the structure is defined. Click the Pop Context button to go back where we started. As an alternative, keep the cursor on JS token stream and perform a right-click anywhere in the window. Then click on the type information at the top. We can see how the type name is defined and how the structure is defined without going to the header files. Let us close the type information window. To get help on any button, right-click on the button. As an example, let us right-click on Outer. Now we can see the description of the outer button. Click anywhere to hide the description. Now, click on the Full Screen tab to hide the quick buttons. We just reviewed the various parts of Crystal's main menu. In further demos, we will use this